All right. Inda played billiards a couple of times in her life. Snooker didn't play at all. How you feel?
I feel overwhelmed.
Yeah? Seriously?
Yes.
Okay. So yeah, as I mentioned, played pool a couple of times. So let's see how you will do. Please go on. Yeah, no worries. We have lots of fun. Third attempt, no coaching involved. Let's see. Okay. So now we're gonna do something to change it. Okay, I gave you a drill. Slow back with chin and chest contact, slow forward. More back. Slow, slow, slow. Full backswing, and slow forward to the center of the cue ball. Slow back. We're grooving muscles. We're trying to get understanding how to move cue as strict as possible. And put your back arm a bit closer for you so you could balance the movement. Do it again. More full backswing. I'm just gonna help you out. So like this to the center. It's a really good workout, especially for those who are struggling with the cue movement. It's a little bit intense, but really helpful to make sure that the cue moves a little bit better. Second part of the exercise, just make sure that you pull the cue back and play to the middle. That's it. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Make sure that your cue direction, you hit into the center, you do backswing, you hit into the center, just like that. Okay, please go. More. So raw, no editing whatsoever, just working on basic stuff. Okay, do it again. Yeah, just played a couple times in her life, pool, nothing more serious. So backswing, hit, chalk, so make sure that there is a good contact on cue ball in this case. And for guys who are really pedantic players, we just focusing on hitting the object ball, and because if we're gonna use cue ball again, it takes too much time. Okay, good. Play again. Play again. Full backswing, slow to the 1 point. Fantastic, doing great job. Again, few more shots, and we're gonna try to pot the ball. Well done, again. And the last shot. I want to see more. Come on, center part of the cue ball. Good. Backswing, hit. Wow. This is my magic tool to improve potting. So you use a short gap. Please put straight. And shorter gap, which is challenging your focus immediately to hit better. Play, go up again. You're aiming offline, straighter with your head. Okay, great job. Much better. Play below center, hit. Woohoo! Again. Once again, put cue ball straight. No, it's not straight to the line. Move to the right. Yeah. Okay. Head position great. Cue great. Below center, hit the ball. Wow, amazing cueing. Again, just below center, no help. Okay, looks pretty good. Play the shot. So how you feel? We did.
Wow, it is great. I didn't expect it to happen so fast.
Great.